Welcome to BBS Pragati channel. In this session, let's have a look at all the buy calls given in April. We'll see the performance of all the calls and we'll see what is the net profit that anyone would have obtained for the month of April. So in April, on April 1st, I've given a buy call for 33,500 CE and the buying price is 212. The SL is 182, target is 240, 274. Yes, that got triggered at 303, that is in the evening, and the target is 240. So, similarly, you see on April 5th, there was one buy call of a put option. On April 6th, there was one buy call of a put option. The target is met. On April 7th, I have given you a put option and a call option. Put option, we asked you to exit at cost price, and call option met the target. Okay. On April 8th, there was only one buy call. On April 9th, I've given you buy call for two put options, and there twice the SL was hit. On April 12th, I've given you two buys, that is, one is a put option, one is a call option, and put option it met the target. The call option also met the target. On April 13th, I've given you a call option that met the target. On April 15th, I've given a 3200 call option. It met the target. 3200 put option, it also met the target. 31600 put option, it met the target. No, it did not meet the target. I asked you to exit at 210. 31800 CE met the target. On April 16th, I gave you one put option. It met the target. On April 19th, I've given you 3800 call option that met the target. On April 20th, I've given you 31200 put option where SL was hit, and 31200 put option where it met the target. That means it's a no loss, no profit day. On April 22nd also, 3900 CE SL got hit, and 3100 CE that it met the target. That means it's again a no loss, no gain day. April 23rd, 32,000 CE met the target, and 31,500 PE hit the stop loss. Again, that is a no loss, no profit day. So it's a 3 continuous days of no loss, no profit. Okay. Now, on April 26th, I've given you 32,600 call option, 3,200 put option where both the targets got met. On April 27th, I've given you 32,600 CE. The target is met. On April 28th, I've given you 33,300 CE. It met the target. On April 29th and April 30, I've not posted the buy calls, but I've posted that I've bought it and the targets were met. Okay. So the total trading days in April is 19. And on April 20, 22nd, 23rd, it is a no loss, no profit day, because once SL got hit, once there was a profit. So it's a no loss, no profit day. On April 9th, you had two SLs. So on most of the days I've given you 2 or 3 buy calls, right? But let's say that it's only one buy call per day. Then the effective profitable days will be 19 minus the no loss, no profit day minus 2 SLs, which is 14 days. So 14 days of profit, even if you are buying one lot, just one lot. So one lot is 25 into 30 is 750. So 750 into 14 is what you can make a estimate of. Okay. So dear subscribers, whenever I have work, I would not be posting. Maybe I might be taking a trade, but I might not be posting any buys in the channel. So it's always better that you learn how to trade, so that you yourself can take a call on whether you can buy a call or a put. Anyways, thank you, thanks a lot, and I wish you all the best.